Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw my Draw So Cute private school girl. So let's get started. To draw this cute student, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. Now that I have my two circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now with my eyes in, let's spruce them up with some lashes. So I'm going to come to the sides right here and just pop in two curves. And the top one's a little bit longer. And same thing here. Longer top one and then a shorter one. There. And then let's come above her eyes, say about this much. And we're just going to draw a soft curve for her brow, right over her eyes. And same thing on the other side, about right here. Just a soft arc. And of course, let's give her a sweet smile. So right about here, between her eyes, I'm just gonna go up and cap it off. There. Then from there, let's frame her face. And so I'm gonna come to the top of my eye and use that as my guide. And right next to the lashes, I'm just gonna draw a little point, and same thing here. And so from there, I'm going to draw the bottom of a U. I'm going to go around her eyes. And I'm just going to try to kind of imagine how low I want it. So let's say about right here in the center, I'm just going to give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve to my point. And same thing here. Okay, so now that I have her face framed in, this bottom U, then I'm going to, let's see, let's give her some ears. So like where her eyes are, about right here, I'm just going to pop out curve, and then come in here with some details, and same thing on the other side. It's always the hardest trying to figure out what kind of hairstyle to give my Draw So Cute girls. And so today I'm just going to make it nice and simple. So let's say the center, let's come up, say about right here, give myself a point. And from there, let's go ahead and just draw a curve, kind of hitting her brow, and then bring it down. So same thing here. Curve and then bring it down. Then let's see, we can come up, straight up, and say about right here. We're going to go draw two curves, so it parts right in the center, and then we're just going to go up and come down, so straight hair right next to her ears. And same thing here. Right next to her ears. And let's see, I'm going to bring this down, do a little curve, and I'll just stop there for now. And I'm just very tempted to either give her some clips or a headband. So I kind of left it open. So you know what, let's give her a headband. I'm going to come right here, and I'm just going to go up with a curve, kind of stereotypical private school girl with a headband, right? So hopefully you like that, but if you don't, definitely just leave this part out. Just gonna come around and tuck this in. Okay, there. So hopefully I've spruced it up a little bit. It looks nicer. And then from there, little detail. So then let's draw her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So right in the center, let's give her a little neck. And then we're going to curve it down for her shoulders to about right there. And same thing here. Curve it down. So now that I have that part in, I'm going to come back to before it curves right about here. And same thing here. I'm going to draw 2 angle lines coming down. And now that these 2 lines in, it's kind of like her vest that she's wearing. I'm going to bring it, well actually no, let's come back up a little bit first. I'm going to come about right here and we're going to give her a neckline. So I'm going to bring an angle line straight down to the center and then go right back up. And then let's come back in about this space right here and do the same thing. And then we're going to curve this part for a little collar. And then maybe a button on her blouse right about there. And we can draw an extra line right here for her vest. And let's see, let's bring this down now a little bit more. To about right there, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it all the way across. I'll just add another line right here for some detail. And then her skirt. So I'm going to come right about in here, come in a little bit, and we're just going to angle out. And same thing here. So we're just going to give her a pleated skirt. So let's bring this down and see about right there. Now that we're at the same height, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve and then go right back up. Now to make it look pleated, the simplest way is to come to the center and I'm just going to draw 2 lines. So slight angle, just going to separate it a little bit right in the center. And then we're going to draw 2 more of these pleats. So come here and same thing. But notice it's moving at an angle. And this side will be moving this way. And 1 more. There. And then when you're, you can come in here, bring this up a little bit more. And then I'm going to come in here really quick. So hopefully you're using a pencil and then you can just erase it a little bit if you want to make it look more true to a pleat. So this part goes up a little bit. So this is just an easier way to draw it. And so you see how there's these separate pleats from the back. Okay, so hopefully I helped you with that and didn't make it too complicated. In there. And then from there, let's draw her legs. So find your center and then I'm going to go to the left a little bit, come to the right. And then about right here, her hips. So let's say about right here, I'm going to work on this leg first. This is going to just come down and we're just going to get thinner as we come down to her ankle. So say about right here. And I'm just going to bend it slightly, just very slightly, just to give it a cuter look. So we're going to come down for her ankle and then her foot. I'm just going to come in, but don't pass your center, so about right there, and curve. This part will be a little bit straighter and connect. So it's just slightly in more. So same thing here. Down all the way. And then about right here, bring it in. And same thing here. So go down. all the way thinner ankles, and then straighten it out and connect. There. Okay, so then for some details, let's give her some socks, maybe knee-high socks perhaps, and then for her shoes, let's see, what kind of shoes should we give her? A curve right here, break it up here, and then some laces, so same thing here. There. Okay, and then now for her arms, let's give her some short sleeves. So we're going to bring this down to about right there, cut it off, a little detail, and let's just work on this side first. And then so her arms are coming down about right here, and we're just going to curve it in a little bit towards her waist area, and then come out, and so about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and simplify this and just tuck her hand in. So I bring this in a little bit more. Okay, so then from there, same thing on this other side. The same area. And then on this side, it's going to be the same thing, but I'm going to have her hand holding a book. So it's just kind of to her side. So her other hand's ending about right here. So I'm going to have the book about right here. Just going to add this kind of this rectangular shape to about right there. Once you color it in, it'll look better. But same thing, once again, I'm just going to come in and then just have her hand tucked right underneath it. We're just simplifying this drawing a lot. There. Okay, so then I'll come in here. Well, actually, let's finish her hair first. So let's bring this down. Give it some strands and just tuck it in. So same thing here. And of course, you need to give her a pocket. So about right here, I'm going to add a pocket. And I'll put a heart right here to make her my Draw So Cute private school girl, or just a schoolgirl in a uniform. And I'm going to quickly come in here and white this part out. And fix that to wait for it to dry. Okay, there, hopefully you get the idea. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of a cute private school girl getting ready to start school. I really hope you love this drawing that inspired you to draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.